Today we're going to talk about what can we plant and still have some fresh produce and garden vegetables if we don't have a lot of space. And unfortunately, some people may have a lot of space to garden in. They may have raised beds, they may have container gardens. But if you don't have a lot of space, one way that you can still have some fresh produce is that you can use a hanging basket. Today we have some jalapenos and some hot peppers that we can plant into our hanging basket. What we want to do is we want to take our hanging basket and we'll move these to the kind of outside edges. That gives us plenty of space for them to bush out and grow while still being able to harvest from them. So we're going to plant these 3 plants in our container. Add a little soil, make sure that they're planted, and water them in. Now, if we don't have a lot of space, there's different varieties we can plant. One variety is a jalapeno. It's a jalapeno pepper that can go into a hanging basket. It's a short, compact plant and pepper, and it can go ahead and be going into a hanging basket. Another hanging basket option is that you can have strawberry plants. You would plant them again like at your 3 sides and allow them to drape over and be harvested that way, and then bring the daughter plants back into the center. You can have Tiny Tom cherry tomatoes. They have a shorter, compact variety of tomato that can be great in a hanging basket. It has either red cherry tomatoes or yellow cherry tomatoes. They're just short, compact plants, and they will do great inside of a hanging basket. Now, we know that there's not a lot of root zone area. We have, this one's a little bit larger hanging basket. This is a 12-inch hanging basket that I had that I wasn't using. And what we can do with it is put some Osmocote fertilizer. It's more for containers. It's a slow release fertilizer. I would apply it around the edges of the plant, water it in, and then let it go. It will feed your plants for up to 4 months. So it's going to last throughout that growing season. If you do want to use a water-soluble fertilizer, you would apply that, but make sure that you're being on a schedule and adding it at that 14-day interval as you water throughout the season. If you have any other questions about how I can do a hanging basket plants or any other growing tips, please visit the University of Extension website or visit our YouTube channel for more growing tips throughout this season.